Okay, first I want you guys to copy these expressions down on your paper. So we have 2y squared minus 3. Then you have 3x squared plus 5x minus 4. Then you have negative 2m squared minus m plus 3. Okay, who remembers a little bit of what we did yesterday? Okay, April, what are we going to do with the first one? How would we start this off? What did we do yesterday?
You just switch in, so if it's like positive, you change it to negative. If it's negative, you change it to positive.
So we're changing the signs?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, whoop, let's go back. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and with your partner change the signs and make sure, actually by yourself change the signs and then check them with your partner to see if you guys did them correctly. Okay, with your partner, go ahead and check them.
Okay, for number 1, I got negative 2y squared plus 3.
Me too.
Okay, number 2, I got negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
For number 3, I got 2m squared plus m minus 3. Yeah.
Okay. So let's look up here and let's correct them and see, check your answers. So for the first one, did you get negative 2y squared plus 3? Raise your hand. Good. Number 2, did you get negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 4? Good. And for number 3, 2m squared plus m minus 3. Good. Okay, so I have a little rule for this. So if the signs are the same, meaning if it's positive and positive, you're going to get the sum. What does the sum mean? 2?
The answer.
But if you get the sum of two numbers, are you multiplying, subtracting, dividing?
Multiplying.
Not multiplying.
Adding.
Adding. There you go. Okay, so these are going to be adding. Okay? If the signs are different, you're going to find the difference, which means to subtract. Good. So, that's a little saying you go. If the signs are the same, then you find the sum. If the signs are different, then you find the difference. Okay? So when you see positive and positive, you add them. What if I see a negative and a negative? I'm still going to add them because the signs are still the same. If I have a negative and a positive. So today, we all know what subtraction is. We're going to learn that subtraction means to add the opposite when we study integers, which is kind of like what we did with the difference here, with the different signs. We need to remember this as well as studying subtraction of polynomials, okay? Who knows regular subtraction? Give me a regular subtraction.
10 minus 7.
10 minus 7. Good. What are you going to get?
3.
3. Good. Give me another one.
15 minus 10
is what?
5.
Good. What if I tell you 5 minus 10? I have 5 fingers and I need you to minus 10. Talk to your partners. What's going to happen?
You'd be getting a negative.
Yeah.
Because you can't subtract 5 minus 10.
Okay, here we go. So who has an answer for us that would like to share? Good. What's going to happen if we subtract, if we have 5 and we're subtracting 10?
I get negative 5.
We're going to get negative numbers. Good. Okay, so today I want you guys to go ahead and write this problem that we're going to be working with. It's 3x minus 1 in parentheses, subtract, parentheses, 2x plus 2. These are polynomials, the ones in the parentheses, and we're subtracting the two polynomials from each other. So, you see that it's written out in a horizontal form, 2x plus 2. So that might be a little hard for you guys to figure out right away until we start getting comfortable. So what I'm going to suggest right now is to stack them and subtract them vertically. So that means to stack them in this way, one on top of the other. Oops. So stack 3x on your paper, minus 1, with the 2x plus 2 at the bottom, and put that in parentheses still with the subtraction sign, because that subtraction sign still goes with this polynomial.